Hi there, students. To amble. Okay, to amble means to walk in a slow and relaxed way. This is one of your vivid verbs. He walked down the street. He ambled down the street. Okay, amble's a much more interesting word. Yeah, you amble when you're not in a hurry. He ambled along the road looking at everything on the way. Yeah, he sauntered slowly. He strolled. Yeah, he was enjoying it. Yeah, so if you amble, you go quite slowly. He ambled across the field. He was obviously in no hurry. The policeman ambled over and asked me to move my car. Okay, so to amble, yeah, to walk slowly. You can also probably use this as a noun, an amble. He walked at an amble. He came at an amble, but I think much more commonly as a verb. Yeah, you're walking in a slow, relaxed way. We ambled back to the car after our wonderful picnic. I saw the cat ambling along in front of the house. Yeah, so to walk in a nice, relaxed way. Yeah, you're not stressed. You're not in a hurry. Um, let's see. Nowadays, I like to amble. It's one of the things I see in the city. Is everyone's rushing around and nobody seems to amble anywhere. Okay, so yeah, to walk at a leisurely pace, a leisurely stroll. Yeah, he came ambling along the street as if he had all the time in the world. You can also use amble um, to talk about a four-legged animal, particularly a horse. Yeah, where it uses two legs on one side and then two legs on the other. But that's maybe a little bit more formal and literary. So to amble, how formal is this? I think I'd probably give it a 6 in formality, although you could definitely use it in an informal conversation. So you can use it anywhere. But remember, it's a vivid verb, so it's a good word to add into your exam speaking or writing. So amble is a regular verb. He ambled up the street. He ambled down the lane. He has ambled over here in order to talk to me. Okay, and then as to origin, well, there's a French word, amble, to walk like a horse does, which originally comes from the Latin word ambulo, I walk. Okay, yeah, a perambulator. I'm thinking that's probably linked to it as well. Yeah, so don't rush everywhere, just amble. It makes life much more easy and everything's much less stressed. Um, he ambled from stall to stall in the market, looking at all the things and enjoying himself. Yeah, we went for a stroll in the country and ambled through the fields of flowers. Yeah, it's a good sounding word. It's, as I said, it's a vivid verb. So try and use this one instead of yeah, walk. Yeah, he walked. He ambled. Walk slowly. Okay, his ambling walk made him look very relaxed. There you go, as an adjective. So anyway, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. To Amble.